Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to All Around. Hope you're doing well. So today, before starting the video, I'm gonna tell you something special. So today, I'm gonna tell you two things. First of all, my channel has got 3,000 views total, and the second thing, we've got 500 views on my examination tips video. I think that was really helpful to you, and thank you so much for 500 views. So I hope we can make it to 1K views. Thank you so much for your guys. I love you all. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Today we're learning about angles. It's a very easy topic and it's going to be a lot of fun learning about angles. They're quite easy and they're quite fun also, as you can see in everyday life. So let's get started with it. So today we're going to learn to classify acute, obtuse, right or straight angles. So what exactly is the angle and how do we classify into these four types? So what is an angle? Coming to it. Now, two rays that share the same endpoint form an angle. Two lines that share the same endpoint, that have the same endpoint, form an angle where they both join together. The point where the rays intersect is called the vertex. Where they intersect each other, that's called the vertex of an angle. And the two rays are all the sides of an angle. So if you see two rays you must have learned angles in somewhere. If you don't know, angle is like first a baseline, and then you draw the line 60 degrees, 70 degrees. So angle can be from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. That forms a circle. So the one is the baseline and the other one is the another line. So these both lines are called sides. And when the rays intersect, that's called vertex. Now these are the examples of angles. So you might think that it's hard to classify each of them and how which one is the base. So you can say any one of the base. It doesn't matter. So because angle is still be equal. But some of them are typical views, so like you can easily understand. Now we can identify an angle by using a point on each way in the vertex. So we can identify angle. How do we identify angle? So we use the point on each way in the vertex. The angle below may be identified as the angle ABC. So this angle you can call it ABC because it's three letters, ABC, or as CBA. You can't make it BAC or BCA. You can either make it ABC or CBA. B should be in the middle, A or C in the beginning or in the end. The vertex point is always in the middle. The vertex is B, so it should always remain in the middle. Now, angle measurements. We measure the size of an angle using degrees. That is shown using a small circle. Here are some examples of angles and their degree measurements. So these are the examples of angles and like what is the measurement of each of them. So to measure angles, you need a protractor that you can find in any stationery shop or in the geometry box you have. So now coming to the acute angle, we're learning about classifying. We're going to learn about classifying angles. So the first thing we're going to learn is acute angle. An acute angle is an angle measuring between 0 and 90 degrees. It can only be in either in between both of these, either like from 0 to 90 degrees in that. The following angles are all acute angles. So you can see one is 18 degrees, one is 45, one is 33, 88. So you can see the 88 one looks like L. And now perfect L. Not you can't just write a L and say it's 90 degrees. 90 degrees is a right angle. We're gonna discuss about right angle later. But this one is 88 degrees. There's a 22.5, 7 degrees. To make an angle, you need a protractor too. Obtuse angle. Now what do you mean by obtuse angle? An obtuse angle is an angle measuring between 90 and 180 degrees. So it should be above 90 and less than 180 degrees. These all angles are obtuse. So 135 degrees, 93, 174, 117.8. There's so many of them. You can just get tired listing of them. 110, 157. Now right angle. And right angle is an angle measuring 90 degrees, exactly 90 degrees. The following angles are both right angles. So you can see these look like a 90 degrees or these look like a L and then 90 degrees. So just writing L won't make it a 90 degree. You have to measure it properly. And an angle, right angle should always be 90 degrees. You can't make it 91 or 91.01 whatever. Exactly 90. A straight angle, and straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. That is just like a straight line. It would be exactly 180 degrees. Now it comes to vertically opposite angles. In geometry, Just gonna zoom in a bit. In geometry, a pair of angles is said to be vertical or also opposite and vertically opposite, which is from abbreviated as vert.op. If the angles are formed from two intersecting lines and the lines are not adjacent, they all share a vertex. Such angles are equal in measure and can be described as congruent. So in this picture, for definition is quite a bit difficult, but in the picture you can see. So the vertically opposite angles are A and B. They must be the same. That's what called vertical opposite angle. So we can also make from the top. I'll just show you from here and here. These both, if they're same, they'll also be vertically opposite angles. So I hope you get the concept of vertically opposite angles. Now this is a game time. Of course we can't do this as it's not a live lesson, but just try to focus, okay? Now the object of the game is to first listen and correctly name what type of angle you see. So I'm just gonna count 5 and you make sure you know it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you got? The correct answer is acute angle is less than 90 and more than 0. Acute angle, we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obtuse angle, as it is more than 90 and less than 180. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right angle. Okay guys, when it comes to here, you can see this square. So what does this show? This shows a 90 degrees angle. So if this box is here, you don't need to measure it. So this is the right angle. 180 degrees. This is a straight angle. Okay. Great job guys. And so the as you can see, 3000 views, as I told you before. Thank you so much all of you. And guys, if you're on Twitter, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. The link is there in the channel, like when you go to about in the channel. Now please like, share and subscribe for upcoming awesome videos. Thank you so much for watching, and stay home and stay safe. And I hope your schools are reopened, so don't spend much time on games and all. Just keep watching my videos and studying. Thank you so much. Bye bye.